Okay, so the first thing you are going to need to do for today is working on your final piece of the budget challenge. So I'm signed into Schoology. I'm going to open up my budget challenge folder. And then you need to open up the budget challenge tracking sheet. And so when you go to open that, you will see the spreadsheet just like the paper copy we had for everything. So your goal is going to be getting everything, if you wrote it on your paper copy, to the digital format, or if you need to go and look up your information, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So if you need your information, you can come and sign into the budget challenge. And then under Student Home, if you click on Bank, then it's going to have all of your account activity. So if you want to print that out so you have that to easily have for reference for your spreadsheet. So notice though, we're going from the last date to our first date, so you want to make sure you are starting with the right place. So here, February 1st, I would want to put my starting balance was 1,100. I would come here and I would just do my checking account balance is the 1,100. Oh, except that needs to be on February 1st. Okay, so whatever date you have, that's where you need to make sure that you begin that on. So then I would look at my second transaction. Oh, that was my paycheck. Okay, for 1,152.66. So I'd come back, and it was on the 2nd. So in my deposit, I'm going to put the 1,152.56. And then from now on, you won't need to do anything in this final column. It should be adding or subtracting it for you. As you enter in your other transactions, here's the different account types or transaction types. So make sure you enter it in the correct column. And then when you're done, you can submit that.